Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class of mathematics. So, in our earlier class, we have already completed till exercise 7.3. In today's class, we will be starting a new topic, which is the topic on three-dimensional shapes. We have already looked at a video that any shape which has got three dimensions, for which means length, breadth, and height, are known as the three-dimensional shapes. An example of these kind of shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. Here you can see that it is mentioned about the face, edge and vertex. So we have already seen जो हमें दिख रहा है अपने सामने, those are the faces of the shape. जहाँ पर दो faces meet करते हैं, that is the edge of the shape. And जहाँ पे two edges meet करते हैं, those points are the vertices of the shape. So a cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. कुछ examples भी given है. For example, an ice cube, die and a gift box. So we have already seen a video in the earlier class in support of these objects. Fine. Similarly, for a cuboid, there are 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Example is your pencil box, cupboard and your book. Now, next is a cone. So a cone has got two faces, which means one face is the curved and one is a flat, right? And it has got one edge and one vertex as well. So, ice cream cone, birthday cap, traffic pylon, these all are the examples of cones. Now, the next that we have is a cylinder. So, a cylinder has got three faces, two flat and one curved. Along with this, it has got two edges and it has got no vertex. Fine. Examples of cylinders are water tank and a fire extinguisher. A sphere has also got one curved surface, no edge and no vertex. Example of sphere: a ball around you is a sphere, orange, globe, all these are spheres. There can be many more objects around you which are of either cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder or sphere in shape. Find it out. Okay. Now the next topic that we have is net of a three-dimensional shape. So what is a net? A net is a shape which can be obtained by unfolding the shape. तो जो भी बॉक्सेस हमारे यहाँ होते हैं हम उसको थ्रो कर देते हैं. जो भी ऑनलाइन हम कुछ परचेजिंग करते हैं तो वो मटेरियल किस में आता है? एक बॉक्स में आता है. अगर अगली बार हमारे यहाँ ऐसा कोई भी ऑनलाइन मटेरियल जो हमने ऑर्डर किया हुआ है तो प्लीज जस्ट unfold all the shapes and you will get the net of that particular shape. Now let's quickly look at a video and understand which are the nets of various these shapes. next topic that we have is different views of three-dimensional shapes. So कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर हम अलग अलग एंगल से देखते हैं तो वो अलग अलग शेप का दिखता है हमें, राइट? For example, if we look at the example provided here, you can see that अगर हम ऊपर से देखें इसी सेम शेप को तो ये कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा, साइड से देखेंगे तो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा, फ्रंट व्यू ये है यानी आगे से देखेंगे, साइड मीन साइड से देखेंगे, दिस इज द साइड एंड दिस इज द टॉप, ऊपर से देखेंगे तो ये कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. फाइन चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 7.4. So now the first question says that write the shape of the following objects. So geometry box is in what shape? Obviously it is in cuboid shape. So what we will write here? Cuboid. A smiley ball, it's sphere in shape. Ice cream cone, cone in shape. Now next one is a road roller. A road roller is a, what is the shape of a road roller? It is of shape cylinder, right? A matchbox? Yes, of course, it is cuboid in shape. And the ice cube? Yes, it's cube in shape. Now next question we have is that name a solid shape with only one vertex. So which is that shape which has got only one vertex? It's a cone. So we will write here cone. Next, a solid shape with no flat surface. So what is the answer? The answer is a sphere. A shape with exactly two flat faces. So it is a cylinder. And the next one is six identical faces. Identical faces मतलब बिल्कुल एक जैसे दिखने वाला. So that is a cube. Now next question is draw nets of the following. So I will be attaching the solution for question number 3 at the end of the video. Next question is question number 4, which says that write the number of faces, edges and vertices of the following figures. So again the answer of this question will be attached at the end of this video. The next question is question number 5. Draw the top view, front view and side view of the following solid shapes. So again I will be attaching the solution of question number 5 also at the end of this video. So with this children we have completed this chapter. Now let's quickly look at the solutions for question number 3, 4 and 5. So this is the solution of question number 3 and these are the nets of cuboid, cylinder, cone and cube. In question number 4 solution is also there and you can write it down from here, but yes, question number 4 is very important for your exam, so you have to by heart how many faces, vertices and edges are there in various shapes. Fine children, so you can pause the video and write the answers from here. The solution for question number 5. So all these are the top views, front views and side views. Fine children. So with this we have completed chapter number 7 on the world of shapes. Now let's start a new chapter. So children, the next chapter that we are going to start is chapter number 13, data handling. So what is data handling? We have already learned about it from class 3 that वेरियस डेटा जो भी डेटा हमारे आसपास है उसे हम जब मीनिंगफुल वे में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं दैट इज द मेथड ऑफ data handling. There are various ways by which we can handle data. For example, pictograph, tally marks, bar graph, line graph, and so on. So now let's discuss this let's recall portion from your textbook. So the adjoining pictograph shows the number of students present in a class for a week. And here you can see so many smileys are there. So this smiley is nothing else but key. एक smiley का मतलब कितने students होते हैं? 10 students होते हैं. Fine. So now the question number 1 says we have to answer these questions. Fine. So, read the pictograph and answer the questions that follow. If the total strength of the class is 60, the number of students absent on Wednesday. So, first of all, let's find out कि Monday को कितने बच्चे हैं. So, कितनी smileys हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. एक smiley का मतलब 10. So, Monday को कितने बच्चे हैं? 50 students are there. Next on Tuesday, 6. So, there are 60 students. Next, on Wednesday, there are 5. So, again, 50 students. On Thursday, there are 30 students. And on Friday, there are 20 students. So, now, the first question says that if the total strength of the class is 60, total strength class की 60 है. Total कितने बच्चे पढ़ते हैं क्लास में? 60 बच्चे. सो कितने बच्चे एब्सेंट थे वेंसडे को? तो प्रेजेंट कितने थे? दिस वी नो फ्रॉम दिस पिक्टोग्राफ. सो ऑन वेंसडे 50 स्टूडेंट्स वेर देयर. टोटल 60 है. 60 में से 50 चले जाएंगे तो कितने बचेंगे? 60 minus 50 is equal to 10. So how many students were absent? 10 students were absent. Next, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स took leave on. कौन से दिन सबसे ज्यादा बच्चे एब्सेंट थे? सो ऑन फ्राइडे. Next, on dash and dash, total number of an equal number of students took leave. So कौन कौन से दिन बराबर बच्चों ने लीव लिया था? प्रेजेंट नहीं थे, बराबर बच्चों ने लीव लिया था. यानी 50 बच्चे मंडे को भी आए थे, 50 बच्चे वेंसडे को भी आए थे, यानी 10 स्टूडेंट्स ने लीव लिया था, तो इक्वल है. सो मंडे एंड वेंसडे, मंडे and Wednesday. Next, on dash, the maximum number of students were present. कौन से दिन सबसे ज्यादा बच्चे आए थे? That day is Tuesday. So Tuesday. The attendance in the whole week. So now, what are the total number of smileys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? हम सबको ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो 50 and 50 इट्स 100, 100 and 60 इट्स 160, and 90 it's 190, and 20 it's 210. So the total attendance is 210. Now let's discuss the next question, which is question number 2. Now, the question number 2 says that the given bar graph shows the marks obtained by 10 students in a class test out of 10. Study the bar graph carefully and answer the following questions. So, what is the maximum score in the test? What is the maximum score in the test? Highest marks, ये marks का column है और ये बच्चों के नाम है. So, highest marks कितने हैं? 10. So, what we will write here? We will write here 10. Now next, how many students scored the maximum marks? कितने बच्चों को 10 marks मिले हैं? So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 students scored the maximum marks. Name the pair of students who scored 5. कितने सारे ऐसे बच्चे जिनको 5 marks मिले हैं? रितु and Gracie, right? Ritu and Gracie. So RITU, Ritu, and GRACE, Gracie. The next question, question number D, asks who scored more marks, Asha or Ben, and by how much? So you can look at the bar graph and you can see that Asha scored how many marks? Asha scored 4 marks and Ben scored 7 marks. So who scored more? Obviously, Ben scored more. Now, Ben scored more marks by how much? So, Ben, marks of Ben minus marks of Asa, yani 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. यानी बेन को कितने ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिले? 3 मार्क्स ज़्यादा मिले आशा से. नेक्स्ट, हाउ मेनी मार्क्स डिड दीपक स्कोर? दीपक ने कितना स्कोर किया है? 9 मार्क्स. सो दीपक स्कोर्ड 9 मार्क्स. हु स्कोर्ड द मिनिमम मार्क्स? सबसे कम मार्क्स किसको मिले हैं? प्रिया. So Priya scored the minimum marks. So children, with this I am ending today's video. Complete all the questions discussed in your ebook, in your maths book itself. So thank you and bye bye.